So magandang araw kabola, sa video nito kabola, ilalabas po natin kabola ang top 3 assets sa palagay natin for Meralco Bolts kabola. At ito pong Converge Fiber Xers. And then of course we talk about around the league. So sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So naglabas nga po ng isa pong column si Boss Homer sa Ison kabola, telling us kabola that if you're a fan of Magnolia and if you are PBA fans in general kabola, if you're expecting po the Coach Chito to be replaced kabola, hindi pa daw yan guaranteed kabola, no? Hindi pa yan guaranteed. So ang main reason na binigay ni Boss Homer is that dahil daw itong si Coach Chito kabola is direct hire yan. Itong si Boss RSA na po, so you know, Boras RSA, siya po yung owner ng San Miguel Corporation, diba? Direct hire nga naman po ng owner mismo. So hindi po ganun kadali, no, na matanggal si Coach Chito Victorero. So kung fan ka po ng Magnolia at palagi mong sinasabi bakit di pa siya natanggal, maybe that's the reason kabola. Kasi nga po yung connection niya po mismo ng literal dito kay Boss RSA kabola. Pero sa totoo lang, di ba, parang wala ka na kasing mahanap na rason. I still believe that Coach Chito is a top 5 coach in the PBA right now. Pero the problem is, wala ka lang ibang makitang rason kabola to keep him, di ba? There are still a lot of positive things and etc. Pero sobrang tagal na kasi niya nabigyan ng opportunity kabola. He needs, or the team of Magnolia needs something that is fresh kabola. Gauzy is Alex as a contender, sabi dito kabola. So parang minasahe po ni Coach Yeng Yao yung ego ng NLEX kabola by providing statement. I do not think kabola they're actually on the right path if we think kabola carefully kung yung kanila pong roster construction, di ba? They need a giant big man kabola. That is a mess if they want to really contend kabola. Now, Coach Yeng Yao embraces great crushing kabola, great crusher role kabola. Ito po sa semis kabola. So talagang pinapump up niya yung underdog mentality ng team niya kabola because of this statement. Sinabi pa nga niya, di ba? Parang bumili lang daw ng suka kabola. Nandun na sila sa semis. Of course, again, he's trying to pump up the energy of his team. Kabilang po yan sa mga statement po na nilalabas niya kabola. Pero overall, of course, we still expect a very good showing by the Reno Shine Last of Painters. Comments mo tayo mga fans kabola. Pa-shoutout sir, sabi ni Boss Ronald Barbusidad, Joel Stagle, dapat kinuha na yung si Alalon galing dumepensa niyan. At Calvin, di habol sana ng Converge, sayang sabi. It's talking about Converge ba? Kabola. So, halalon to Converge, I do not think that is needed. We have Converge that could be fine, kabola. Basta hindi lang po nila, of course, mag-keep up ng malaking trade package. Tanggalin ang mga farm team, tapos paritan ang commissioner sa PBA. Parang magalit kay Boss Commissioner Willie Marshall, kabola. Pero again, kabola, the guy is doing his best. Pasyalat sa solid mong Black Idol watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Boss Joel de Guzman, expansion team, dapat tanggalin ang mga farm team na hindi pa handa ang PBA sa expansion team sa amin kabola. For me, I can live with both worlds kabola, kahit pa hindi pa mabenta yung mga farm team, basta ang importante, madagdagan po yung ratio ng independent teams kabola dito po sa PBA kabola. So ito na kabola ang ating pong suggestion na top 3 asset. Converge kabola. Meralco Converge po pala. Meralco Bolts, it will be Chris Banchero kabola. So if you look po at the rotation of Meralco Bolts, they are very loaded. And they have this young gun, CJ Cancino, is really ready kabola to get a bigger role. So for me, trading kay Banchero kabola, kung may gusto pong makakuha sa kanya kabola to get something, a player that they need more, kasi sobrang alim pa rin po ng guard rotation nila. Aaron Black will be there, Chris Newsom will be there kabola. So they can trade Chris Banchero kabola. Now for Converge naman, actually po ulit-ulit na to, it's still Jay Ambohot kabola. So Jay Ambohot, a very promising big man kabola, pero talagang hindi niya makuha po yung consistent win sa Converge kabola. They can use him really kabola to get something that fits their team better. Kababa, sabi mo, ito ba yung mga top 3 nila? Kami na po sa baba.